Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor refresh rate on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Start menu or Start button, and then search for Settings. Best result, should go back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, select Display, and then scrolling down underneath Scale and Layout, and then even further underneath Related Settings, select Advanced Display, and then check mark or click the drop down to select the display you want to change the refresh rate for. And then just a little further down the page, you can choose a refresh rate by clicking the drop down here. Again, your monitor has to support multiple refresh rates in order to have multiple options here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.